Okay, so in between projects and work and other things that I should be doing, like those tutorials that I promised you guys a couple weeks ago, I do get sidetracked. But this time it's something that I got sidetracked on that you guys might get some use out of. So the last time I tried to create a font was almost 15 years ago now. The program of choice that I remember using, I think, was Fontographer or something like that. And a lot has changed, but I decided to give it a go again. And so I've got a couple fonts for you, and this is the first one. This is the first one that I've touched in a long time, called Spike, and it's definitely kind of more of the black letter style, kind of medieval, kind of metalish. Some people have said it kind of looks like the old Spinal Tap text, and parts of it kind of remind me of AC/DC, but it's definitely rough and loose, and it definitely fits its tagline, which it ain't pretty, but it's free. So you might get some use out of it, though. I've already seen some people playing around with it and making some cool headlines and stuff. It's got very basic punctuation and character set. I didn't expand the whole thing out. Again, it was just trying to get back into everything. And all these fonts start out as hand-drawn, so let me show you kind of the basic characters that I drew up front. And this one I just drew a few of the characters and then went back and kind of filled out the rest in Illustrator. And it was kind of time-consuming. Well, it is time-consuming, but it wasn't as nice as I would have liked it to be, so maybe one day I'll refine it and expand its character set and everything. But until then, it's free, and it's not that ugly. So if you get some use out of this, let me know. The other font, though, that I was hand drawing was this one, and this is the original kind of ink I did. And this one I like a lot better. And this one I expanded it out and blew it out, and this one's called Creep. So Creep is also available. It's got kind of, to me, it's got kind of that Southern California skateboard look, but it still can kind of go towards the horror, scarier type stuff. So it kind of walks a line there, and you might get some use out of this one. Now this one I did blow out to where it has uppercase, lowercase. It's got most punctuation and some special characters. So you're going to get probably a lot more use out of this one. And with both these fonts, I tried to go through and remember how to adjust kerning and things like that, and try to keep the letters all spaced out properly and make it look good. So everything should work pretty well. Now this one is available to download for free as well, but this one has the option to donate a couple bucks if you want to. It's one of those pay whatever you want type things that I'm using. So I'd like to expand this one out, but again, these things take a long time to do. In some fonts, you'd be amazed at how long people spend on a single font. It can take months to get a font right. These ones were done pretty quickly because they were just hand-drawn and scanned in and got the basic cleanup and layout, but they still took a few days to do. So one day I hope to kind of make a bold version of this font, which would be pretty much redoing the whole thing over again, I think, and then maybe another weight and add some more characters in there. So if you want to donate some, I'm not stopping you. It would be very awesome. But if you don't, it's okay. If you turn this stuff into, if you use it in any art projects or anything, or speed art or whatnot, definitely send it my way. I'd like to check it out and see what type of use you guys got out of it, and just to kind of see what you guys whip up. So both these fonts are they're okay to use for personal and commercial stuff. But again, if you're going the commercial route, a couple dollars, whatever. I'm not asking, but you know what I mean. But yeah, have fun with them, and let me know what you come up with. And yeah, hopefully I can do more of this stuff down the road. And that's about it, all I can think of right now. So I still have a tutorial coming on the tablet and inking process, where I show you kind of brush setups and stuff for just basic line art and things like that. So that's definitely still on the radar and on the agenda. And we're already at 4 minutes and 4 seconds, so I better cut this off and just let you guys play with some fonts. All right, talk to you later. All right, bye.